20 years, people must go to school. Children must go to work.
Only money that I want.
And to hurt people?
Yeah, the people, I will show you with your last born.
Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But we have seen Thusi excelling in her careers of being a model and also an actress. She recently added to that list. She is now a DJ. Bathandibumkosi. Congratulations to her. She posted on her IG ukuthi now she is looking for a new name that is suitable for her DJ career. But Thusi, do you think Thusi becoming a DJ was influenced by her friend DJ Zinhle? Or rather, it is now a trend because all South African female celebrities, they are all embarking on this journey of becoming DJs. But guess is out here, people definitely need to collect the bag in every way possible. That's it for today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching.